When you purchase from United Controls International, you are purchasing quality. UCI has earned its reputation as a source for reliable quality in nuclear, metal, and steel fabrications because year after year, they have demonstrated their commitment and dedication to innovative quality products. The entire UCI team is encouraged to continually pursue excellence. Our designers are well-trained and well-versed. When the client provides them with a specification, they are able to use that information to tell the fabricators precisely how to get the job done to meet your exact specifications. The designers at UCI strive to establish and communicate clear expectations to team members, customers, and vendors, which enables us to produce quality products. From replacement nuclear parts to finished fabrications for new builds, UCI has the equipment, capacity, and capabilities to meet your company's needs. You can count on UCI whether you are in the market for single parts or complex build-to-print nuclear fabrications. UCI also has the capability to integrate parts obtained from outside vendors to make them exactly what the customer needs. Our dedicated team is able to add parts to any component to make it work how you need it to work, where you need it to work, and when you need it to work. UCI seeks to be an evolutionary provider of nuclear equipment and services by building on existing technologies rather than to attempt revolutionary advancements, and our integration team has many years of combined experience to accomplish this goal. Throughout this process, UCI's team is focused and committed to quality because we are the quality behind the power.